channel Iknoor. If you want to see my more videos, travel videos and gameplays and toy reviews, then subscribe my channel Iknoor. Let's start this video. 1, 2, 3, go! And today I am unboxing Madhubani Art. Okay, so this is a fun fusion of tradition, Madhubani and contemporary art form. Okay, so this is the front and this is the back. Okay, so they have given a big paragraph. You can stop and read it from here as you can see the picture. Okay, so now let's wait. How many age? Oh, this is 5-year plus and it's from Ekta. Okay, so contents: blister mold of the sun and the moon, GANESHA and DEITY easy to dry plastic powder, wall hanging, wall picture frame, tea coaster, nameplate, greeting card, la 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 la. Okay, so now let's unbox it. Okay, so let's see. Where is the price? Where is the price? Okay. Yes. As you can see, the MRP is 360. But for the best price, you have to wait. Let me just cite it. Yes. For the best price, you have to go down in the description and click the link with your fist. But don't break your phone. Okay. Don't break your remote also if you are watching on TV. Okay, so now let's open it. Oh. Who made these like packages? Okay, so now it's time to unbox it. I have said that before, now really. Okay, so now this is the like for painting. Okay. So this is a paintbrush and the manual. Okay, because this is really important. Okay, this is for painting. See, this is also, I think there is something back. Okay, this is for painting. This is for painting. Okay, now, mold. Come on, mold. Oh, this is. Why can't I pick it up? Yes, this is powder for this. Hello. Okay. So now, what else is in the box? And nothing else. So let me just put the box aside. Okay. So now it's time to paint. Oh my god, everything is flying away. Okay, so first what should I do? Oh no, this powder made my hand dirty. Okay, so first let me open everything. Okay, it's like that. Come out. Oh, it's so cute. See, it's so cute. Okay, let me just go forward. Okay, so this is a painting for wall. See, we can just put it on the wall like this. Yeah, like this. Okay, wait, we need to crack this open. And now we can put it on the wall like this. Okay, and next, this is what more painting. What is this? I'm confused. What is this? Please send in the comments. What is this? Okay, so now let's do a head. Okay, so now, oh, these are same paintings. This is also same. This is all. I think these are for putting in other rooms. There are 4 same paintings. We can make a chain of it, right? Yeah, with different colors. Like in this, there is orange. Means I'm just giving. Why does it keep falling? Yes, this we can do orange, this purple, this blue and this red. Okay, these birds want to fly. Okay, and this is the big powder. Time to start painting. Okay. Wait, let me just go boop boop and just start painting into the body. This is so cute. Oh, wait, I need to just do it slowly. Okay, so now the bird is of pink. I was showing you these molds. Okay, we need to put, like, there is a glass of water. I put this powder, a bit powder in this. Okay, then stir it. Then we have to put it and wait until it dries. After it dries, you can just take it out and you got the sun. So I really like this art kit. If you want this toy at the best price, so you should go in the description and click the link. That blue link. Okay, and so this is for today's video. So if you like this video, please do this to the like button. Push, but don't break your screen or like that. Just gently, because the like button does not like to be hit. Oh my god, it's so weird, like button. Okay, so and you can please press my subscribe button, that big red button. Okay, and bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Iknoor.